Today's room review is the Grand Hyatt at DFW International Airport. Here we go. Hey everyone, today's room review is the Grand Hyatt right here at DFW International. I want to preface that we have stayed here already, so we have dirtied it up a little bit, but when we got here, this was absolutely pristine, so clean. I wanted to do a real quick room review as the bathroom is right here to the left. Of course, you can see so many wonderful amenities, lotions, soaps, hair dryer if you need it, mirror, makeup. Again, I will say we've already used this facilities. So we do have the towels in there, but a wonderful tub, which we were able to enjoy. Kids love bathtubs, especially in these nice hotels. And the shower over here. And then the toilet. Then we come back out here. They do have adjoining rooms if you prefer to have that with other family members. Then also, as you walk in, a little shelf here with some cups with some ice, a large mirror. And then within these here, you have some robes, two different materials, kind of depending on what you like. Then also yoga mat. I believe that if you use that will open up that seal, then you will have to purchase it. Iron up there and there, ironing board. As we continue on here, one of the biggest TVs I've ever seen in a hotel. I'm not even sure if that's a 65 or 70 inch. However, it is huge and the kids loved watching cartoons on there. A cabinet here with the Bible, with a safe lock there, and then also the mini bar, which is locked. I'm assuming if you open that, then you will have to purchase whatever you choose to drink in there. And then also this is the 2-queen room with the runway view. Very comfortable beds. Also some USB ports down here, USB, and then also the power, the phone, JBL, sound that you can do your wireless, Bluetooth, music. There's also some things that if you're missing, you can pause the video now. You can just call down and they'll bring that up for you. I'll show you something about this a little bit later. But I will say you cannot beat the views in this hotel room. Some of the best views I've ever seen. As an Av geek, I absolutely love it because you get incredible views of the runway all the way. We've seen a ton of planes in the last 12 hours take off. You also have a small desk in the room, which when you're checking in, they'll ask you, or you can ask for a kettle for tea or a coffee pot. You can do that. And so we chose to do that free of cost, or no charge, and able to have a kettle with some tea. And again, what I really enjoy about this, it's really cool, is as we walked in, the shades came up. So you have your lights, your accent lights on, lights off, sheers and shades, so you can choose. Let's put the sheer down. I'll step back. Because when the sun is setting, the sun is coming straight through, so you can still see, but you still will keep most of the sun out, but you'll be able to still see the planes and stuff like that, or you can open that back up. So that's the accent light there, which is really nice at night if you don't want all the lights on so you can see more of the planes. And then you have over here this panel, control the temperature, the soft lights, accent lights, sheer and shades. And so I'll go ahead and put this hand down here, and then the shades come down, so the room becomes very dark. So again, if you've enjoyed this vlog, hit the like, subscribe button, notification bell anytime that we do more content. If you like these room reviews, we'd love to do more. You can also support the channel. Down in the comments we'll link the link, and also put some other links of other room reviews. So again, thank you. This is the Grand Hyatt at DFW International Airport. See you next time.